Next one topic, coordination compounds. Coordination compounds are formed from a Lewis acid and a Bronsted base. They are molecular compounds or species which do not dissociate into its constituent ions in solution. For examples of coordination compounds, CrNH3 6, COCN6. In these compounds, negatively charged species are a nucleophile known as a ligand. Coordinate covalently bonded to a central metal ion. The ligands donate a lone pair of electrons to the central metal ion, which is electron pair deficient. The ligands are classified as monodentate ligands, bidentate ligands, or polydentate ligands, depending upon the number of coordination site available. Chlorine ion is a monodentate ligand. Oxalate ion is a bidentate ligand. A ligand which has more than one coordinate site can form more than one bond with the central metal ion, resulting in the formation of a ring structure. Important terms of coordination compounds. One is simple salt, second one is double salt. Coordination compounds, ligands, etc. First one, simple salt. A simple salt is formed by the replacement of all the replaceable hydrogen atom in an acid in exhibit the properties of its constituent ions. For example, simple salt NaCl, sodium chloride, double salt. These are molecular compounds formed by the evaporation of two or more salt in stoichiometric proportions. They retain their properties only in the solid state and the dissociate into constituent ions in solution. Double salt, for example, more salt, ferrous ammonium sulfate. Coordination compounds, the molecular compounds do not dissociate into its constituent ions in solution, are called coordination compounds. Ionic anionic complex. Anionic complex compounds contains a complex anions and a simple cations. These examples for anionic complex: K4FeCN6 anionic complex gives simple cations plus complex anions. Cationic complexes CONH3 3 plus simple anions 3Cl minus. Neutral complexes complex cations, complex anions. Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid? All electron acceptors are Lewis acid. All electron donors are Lewis base. Ligand. What is ligand? A ligand is an ion or molecule capable of functioning as an electron donor. Therefore, the neutral molecules which contains one or more ionic pair of electrons which are directly attached to the central metal ion are also known as ligands. A classification of ligands: monodentate ligands or unidentate ligands, polydentate ligands, bidentate ligands, etc. Monodentate ligands. When a ligand is bound to a metal ion through a single donor atoms, for examples Cl minus H2O or NH3, the ligand is said to be unidentate. Polydentate ligands. Whenever a single coordinating group or ligand occupies two or more coordination positions on the same metal ions, a complex possessing a closed ring is formed. Such ligands are called polydentate ligands. Bidentate ligands. When a single ligand has two coordinating positions, it is called bidentate ligands. Chelate. If a ligand is capable of forming more than one bond with a central metal atom or ion, then the ring structure are produced which are known as metal chelates. Coordination number, the number of ligands, donor atoms to which the metal is directly bonded. Numerically, coordination number represented the total number of chemical bond formed between the central metal ion and the donor atoms of the ligand.